I'm Eva Palacios, and I'm here to empower you.
What's up, guys? Eva Palacios here, back with another Financial Freedom Friday. Today's topic, we're going to talk about the road to home ownership. If you are paying somebody else's mortgage, such as being a renter, we need to upgrade you to being a homeowner. I'm going to talk about the 4 important things you need to know to prepare for home ownership. First one, guys, we all know, get those credit scores looking good. You know you can book me for a session. I can help you get there. But at the very least, understand your credit score is going to determine whether or not you get approved and at what interest rate. If you're thinking about buying a house, you want to have your credit score at least a 650 to get yourself a decent rate. But in today's day, 680 is what's going to get you the best and the lowest interest rate that's out there. So number 1, get your credit scores looking good so that you can get approved and at a decent interest rate. Number 2, make sure you've got steady employment. If your desire to become a homeowner, you need to focus on sticking with steady employment. Now, this doesn't mean you can't switch jobs, but I will tell you this. If you're jumping industries, like you started in retail and now you're driving trucks and now you're working at the post office, keep your industry the same. Lenders do not want to see that type of uncertainty. They want to see stability, making sure that not only that income is coming in, but if it is coming in, is it steady? Here's a tip. It's totally okay to take promotions within your employment, because if you can explain to a lender why you're making more money, clearly it's so that you can purchase a house. But if they see you going from, entry-level position to management position, that's a bonus in their eyes. So number 2, make sure your income is steady. Number 3, they're going to ask for the last 2 years of your taxes. This is where they validate and verify whether or not your income is true. Yes, I know there are people that are out there that will do crazy things with pay stubs. This is why you need to provide your actual tax records, because they know you are not going to lie to the IRS. So make sure you get your taxes done, guys. It's going to be very, very difficult. I won't say impossible, because yes, there are lenders out there that will allow you a home loan. But keep this in mind. If it's not traditional lending, you're going to be paying an arm and a leg in interest. And that's not going to be a good financial move for you. So number 3, you want to be sure you get your taxes done. Number 4, super important. They're going to ask for your last 2 months of bank statements. This is to verify any funds that you're bringing to closing. As you're preparing for home ownership, yes, you want to have savings in there, but most importantly, they want to see the savings accumulate across time. Some lenders, if they see a huge deposit being made, they're going to ask questions. And it's okay to have huge deposits. Just be prepared in making sure you've got those answers for when those questions arise. And do not be afraid to be willing to disclose this information. This is normal paperwork that they're going to be asking you for. But most important, realize this is probably the biggest transaction you're ever going to make. So it's always better to be prepared ahead of time than not. Always best to have your documents readily available so that application process can be seamless. So if you've liked what you heard so far, be sure to click subscribe, share this with friends and family, and most importantly, drop your comments below. Thanks, guys.